Honey, I could sit here and delight your senses until Hitler grows hooters. But I got a war to win. I'm off to fight the kamikaze. You heard of him? You can't understand a word I'm saying, can you, darling? That's okay. 'Cause let me tell you, if it wasn't for my winged chariot outside, we'd both be speaking German right now. Well, never mind. Well, my sweet little Lebanese beauty, I will see you on the other side of madness. Can I say one thing? Not too much makeup. You know, I can tell that underneath there's a princess waiting to dance. Set her free, honey cakes. Set her free. Good work, Peterson. Get that little baby and strap it to my plane's bosom pronto. War waits for no man.
Sir, excuse me, sir. The boys have started writing messages to the enemies on their bombs. I was wondering if you wanted to write a message of your own, sir.
Outstanding, Peterson.
Sir, yes, sir.
Now, let me see this thing. Okay. Dear Mr. Enemy, please accept my bomb.
A B, sir. You need a B.
I've got one, Peterson. I ain't an idiot.
No, sir, after the M.
What, are you insane? Then that would spell bomb. We drop bombs on the enemy, Peterson, not bombs.
Sir, if you'd like me to write the message out for you, I'd be happy to, sir. I was dux at my class at school, sir.
So I played an armadillo in a school play. You don't see me boasting.
Sir, it's proper English.
Ain't nothing proper about the English, Peterson. They started this whole goddamn war in the first place. That with this. I'll write my own message. In the sky. To the plane, Peterson.
Yes, sir.
Come on, Peterson.
Sir, the bomb stuck, sir.
You know, men, these kamikaze pilots are great pilots, but their planes are useless. They just keep dropping out of the sky and crashing into our ships and shit. What the... Peterson!
Sir, yes, sir.
What the hell are you doing here, son?
Sorry, sir. Just making some last-minute adjustments, sir.
Hey! That's my joystick!
Oh, don't worry, sir. Give me a moment, we'll be good to go.
Go! Peterson, we're gone! Haven't you noticed the lack of earth around us?
Oh, God, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Oh.
Okay, Peterson, you're not gonna die. Just remember, I'm gonna get you home safe. The plane is to Coots what the donkey was to Jesus. But Peterson, I just need a little room so I can get my old joystick back in its favorite little spot. There ain't no joy without my stick, if you know what I'm saying, Peterson. Oh, that was close. That's not a good thing. Just work with me here. Okay.
I'm scared.
I got that, Peterson. Registered. Got it. What?
The thing behind you.
Oh, is it? You talking white and fluffy or hard and medley?
Hard and medley.
Okay.
With shooting.
With shooting?
It's right there.
Okay, now you're talking, Peterson. Here we go. Flying with Morty now, Peterson. Welcome to the office. Huh? Got it. Shot it. Where are we heading, soldier?
Two over there on the other side, sir.
Fantastic, Peterson. Roll with the punches. Hello, boy. Back away, Peterson.
Oh, God, sir, there's two above us.
That's good news for us, Peterson. We've got a gun. Okay.
Two to the top, sir.
I got you. Even the gods whisper my name.